For next question, it's given that a scooter weighs 120 kgf, brakes are applied so that the wheel stops rolling and starts skidding. It starts skidding. We have to find the force of friction. If the coefficient of friction is zero point 0.4, now let's say this is the wheel of the scooter and weight is acting vertically downwards. So this is 120 kgf. That should be equal to 120 g Newton. 120 into 9.8, that is g Newton. And this is the normal, that should also be equal to 120 g in Newton. And now the brakes are applied, so the wheel stops rolling, but it starts skidding. So the force of friction, that is the kinetic friction, acts in this direction. And we know that the coefficient of friction is given by force of friction divided by the normal reaction. And the nu is zero point 0.4. Force of friction we have to find out. Normal is 120 g. So now this is equal to, let's cross multiply this. Zero point 0.4 into 120 g will give us 4. This is 48. This is 48 g, but this is in Newton. And if you want to get it converted to the kgf, let's divide it by g, so that is equal to 48 kgf. So 48 kgf is the force of friction. Thank you for watching.